Today's goal should be jumping.
What a beautiful morning. The sun's coming up over the Mexican skyline. In case you haven't noticed, everything is Mexico now because everything requires a update. Hi, Ken.
California.
From California.
But, I mean, it's definitely Baja type stuff.
Yeah, we're Baja testing.
We're off-roading today. Heavy off-roading. Today's goal should be jumping.
We've got two aeronautical vehicles here. One just has more wheels than the other.
It's early, and the reason why it's so early is it's the desert and it's hot, and it's supposed to get to be like 120 today, so
Spicy.
we arrived here at 5:30 or 6 this morning to start getting Alex and I really ready to race Baja. So we're out here for 2 days. This place is called Plaster City. It's one of the test sites in California that a lot of people use for trophy trucks. Has a lot of very good sections that really mimic, you know, the off-road race world. We're gonna shred this thing around with the new helicopter. Shane Redline, Jack's dad, owns this, flies this, helps at the races with it. So we decided to wrap it to match the truck, you know, just for the real authentic team deal.
In the words of the late, great Dom Mazzetti,
Excessive matching is next to godliness.
And the funny thing about it too is like we thought of the livery from It's a Living going on the Subaru I'm racing, the Porsche, the Tut Hill Porsche I'm racing in Kenya, and then seeing it on the trophy trucks, really amazing. And then the Kazi looks incredible, and we're like, well, yeah, might as well put it on the heli too. And
it looks sick.
I think it's actually my favorite thing. It just looks so ridiculous and incredible.
How many times have you driven this now? I mean, if we're...
Well, this will be the 4th time. So the initial test here on a Rosarito Beach, then Team O'Neill racing it through the 2.5 mile rally stage there against the Subaru STI. So this has all been great seat time to get used to the truck and start getting up to speed. But now it's getting serious. So this is Alex's first time in an actual off-road situation to be in the truck. We're working on notes and how we're gonna do our note system. We're gonna practice a tire change. It's a lot of really simple stuff from the ground up. I mean, I've never changed a tire on a trophy truck, so we need to know that in case it happens during the race. This is the time that it really starts to get serious, this test, and then a few other things that we're doing after this to get fully up to speed. And I'm really stoked. Can I get in the truck yet?
Yes, you can.
All right.
Let's go! Alex. A, how's the trophy truck? You like it?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, can't thank the team enough for giving us the opportunity to drive it, test it, get familiar with it. We feel really good and confident going into the first race.
Nice. Can I talk to you about your notes process?
We are writing stage style pace notes here. Exactly the same system that Ken uses in rallying. You know, 1 to 6, where 6 is flat out, 1 is a hairpin. Plus we're adding some accessory notes because the racing is quite unique. It's got like severe dips and many soft sections and berms you can use, which we don't have really in rallying. So, but the system is the same. So this morning we practiced a little bit on a 5-mile stage, and we were able to replicate what we do in rallying, but with a trophy truck. How cool is that?
Hell yeah, man. Well, sick. So it's pretty much the same. So you got a lot of some right fours and what is it? Opens? Is that opens?
Titans.
Titans.
That's
Oh,
critical. Yeah.
yeah.
Here there is a rock on the inside. It's like a big one, so we have a dome cut. You know, here we go through a junction, so over to the junction narrow, and then the stage opens up. Well, the course opens up a little bit. We keep calling it stage because of our rallying background, but look, we see it as a stage because of this. You know, the only difference is we are in a different vehicle, but we're doing the same procedures we do in rallying.
Nice, man. Ash Thorp is here, who did all of the radical renderings on pretty much every car we've done in the last 2 years. Sick.
Look at me, Mom.
I just came out here in the middle of the desert just to see that. I think Ken's having himself a good little time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah.
So rad. What an
Nice.
incredible machine.
Sick. You
Outstanding.
Guys, you going out for more? Or?
No, we're done.
Okay. Good times though.
Outstanding. Thank you so much.
How was it?
Big marshmallow that's extremely angry.
Angry
It
marshmallow.
sounds amazing too, having the exhaust right back there too, but it was so crazy, like seeing the jump, and then like I kind of tensed up, and then it's full vert, and then we land, and it's just weird. It's weird to be in. It's incredible.
Thanks for coming out. By the way, how long did it take you to do like all the renderings for this one?
The renderings, Ken and I worked on them for about 2.5 months, I think. He gave me about 3 months heads up, I think. Yeah, but it was a long time. A lot of work getting this all set up, because we modeled all the inside and textured them. Yeah, I got all the details. Like, it's cool seeing this stuff, all the details here, like adding all that age and stuff in the 3D model and stuff too.
Really?
Yeah, and I think KMC gave us the CAD file to actually use for the renders too, so it turned out like machine perfect too. So.
Man, that was a great way to end our testing episode.
Yes, it was. Well, how was the test? You feel comfortable a little bit more? Or?
Yeah, I kind of know how I can jump now, so that was a lot of fun. High speed jumps, slow speed jumps, poppy jumps, Ash Thorp jumps.
Yeah, AT jumps. Yeah.
Well, I guess on that note, is that a wrap?
That's right.
That was incredible. The Kazi was a whole different thing. This is it's just weird. It's like,
It's a giant marshmallow, it feels like.
yeah, it was like, it would bottom out. Sometimes you'd feel it, not bottom out, but it would hit the bump stops or whatever.
Yeah.
But it was like, still then, it was still eating everything up.
Yeah.
That was insane.